Welcome back to Stars and Stripes Harley-Davidson dealership YouTube channel. We have here a 2021 FLTRXS Road Glide Special in Billiard Teal with Meathook handlebars, grips, saddlebag, lights, and speakers, stage 2 boom speakers. So stock, I mean, you're looking at two dual Brembo brakes and Prodigy wheels up here, full fenders, an ABS line. And it's just fantastic. And then you move up, you're gonna see the adaptive headlights, the fixed fairing. I mean, those are smooth lines, man. Those are really cool. 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. The slim engine guard, the black finish, the floorboards, the 6-speed transmission, the 2-up seat with the passenger pegs, the stretched saddlebags, lockable and easy. Easy. Look at this. Bam! That's it. That's all you gotta do. Rain sock, owner's manual. Easy to unlatch, boom. Over the tool here. Take these off, adjust the suspension. These lights back here, LEDs, high powered, make it look real clean. Charging port for battery. Amplifier for the stage 2 boom. Also allows you to put speakers in the saddlebags. Now it looks really blue in this light. Right, this is kind of this is indoor light, but it still kind of simulates the outdoor feel of it. Now, if I can grab your attention, now this is kind of what the blue looks like to me. Again, it's still, that's what the top looks like to me in person. You know, if I go back here, you're really looking into the richness of it, right? The front of the camera automatically grabs more light for it to show you what's going on. But it's much richer, much darker than this. See how it's kind of, you know, in the peripheral. This is really the color. This is really similar to the color that I see in person. It's much richer and deeper in person. 114 derby cover. You have the fixed fairing, like I said. You have the energy plug here for the 12 volts. The space on either side with the USB port being on the right hand side. This little plug here. We're looking at low miles, 3,117 miles. We're gonna do a 5K. Make sure she's tip top. This does have RDRS, infotainment system, voice activation, cruise control, thumbsticks for the infotainment system. Like I said, stage 2, signified by the Rockford Forest Gate and the Harley-Davidson insignia. Harley-Davidson, the Rockford Forest Gate. There. Cable clutch. That's just about it. Just about it. These are the handlebars. Grips. These are 16-inch. A little too high for me. They are above my shoulder. It's a little uncomfortable, but if you're taller like this guy was, he loves it. Can't ride without it. Bought the next one and has to do the bars with it. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below on what you think about this Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special from 2021 in Billiard Teal. And come on by for a test ride today. It's a beautiful day today. You know, we're entering fall, so let's make sure these roads are safe to ride on after the leaves are blowing out of the way, the wind's high, and but it's not wet. So test rides are available. No obligation. Come on by. I'll see you soon.